皆さんこんにちは。Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn Kanji numerals 1 to 10, 100, and 1000. Those 14 Kanji characters, we will learn how to write the Kanji in this lesson. I hope you will enjoy. Now let's get started. 始めましょう。Here you see the kanji numerals from 1 to 10, 100 and 1000. Either you are familiar with this kanji or not, I will help you to write these kanji in this lesson. A bit about the kanji numerals here. In every conversation and writing, Arabic numerals are more commonly used in Japan. So kanji numerals, on the other hand, are often employed in specific contexts or for decorative purposes. There are a few kanji numerals, only 15 kanji numerals that Japanese children learn by the 4th grade. And then those are all. So it's beneficial to learn kanji numerals when you learn Japanese. I will introduce 12 most used kanji numerals in this lesson. So I'm hoping that you will get familiar with those kanji numerals. Now let's find out when and how we use kanji numerals. When a number is a component of a word, we use kanji numerals, like isseki, nicho. That means kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So you can see it and ni, those numbers, in this word. Another one is mikabos, is a person who gives up easily. So you can see mik is number, or nanakorobi yaoki, that means fall down 7 times, get up 8. Here you can see nana and ya. So you don't have to memorize these kanji at this moment. I'm just showing you how to use the kanji. Another way to use kanji numerals are order numbers, like daiichi. That means the first. So you can see ichi, the number here, or like a dai-ni, the second. The ni is here. Dai-go means the fifth. So go is here. So you can use Arabic numerals for this, but it is common to use kanji numerals for order numbers. Now it's time to practice to read. Now before we practice writing, let's read each kanji numerals. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 100, 100, sen, sen. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. So your next step is the days of the week in kanji. So I hope you keep learning. Thank you.